Good morning. This is Parameshwar and Ramesh. So today's class we are going to discuss about basics of trigonometric ratios. So what is meant by trigonometric and what is meant by ratios? So with respect to the right angle triangle, we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratios, how it would be. Okay. So coming to the point of the trigonometry, so it is based upon the ratios of the sides of right triangles. Okay. So there are three sides in a triangle. Already you know that. Okay. So what are the sides? Let us discuss about those sides, and then we will move on to how the trigonometric ratios and how the trigonometric functions will make it possible to find the ratios over here. So like adjacent side, opposite side, and hypotenuse side. So coming to the hypotenuse side, so it is the longest side. So because if we add these two numbers like adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. So it is called as Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So this is the right angle triangle. So this is the hypotenuse is the longest side and it is always opposite to the right angle. The opposite and adjacent sides refer to another angle other than 90 degree. So in the picture we can able to see that whatever may be the thing, the hypotenuse is very big in this number. Okay. So coming to this formulas, so there are 6 formulas are present: the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. So these are the 3 important formulas. With respect to that, we are going to find the inverse of those things. So sine inverse is cosecant, and secant inverse is cos, and cos inverse is secant, and tan inverse is cot theta. So coming to the sine theta, so sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, and this is represented in this direction. So opposite, and this is opposite side, and this is hypotenuse. So it is hypotenuse. So coming to the cos theta, so it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse side is the basement side in the triangle, and hypotenuse you already know that the longest side. Okay. And third one is the tan theta. So opposite side by adjacent side. So how the tan theta will come into the picture? So if you sine theta by cos theta is the value is given as the tan theta. So if you divide those two things, you will get opposite side by hypotenuse divided by adjacent by hypotenuse. So the inverse will come, hypotenuse and hypotenuse will get cancel each other. So we'll get opposite side by adjacent side. So that's why the pictorial represents represent here. So these are the trigonometric ratios in which we are going to discuss about here. Okay. So let us represent it as SOH, CAH, TOA. So it is simple thing. So SOH is called a sine function. So with respect to that, two things will be coming. One is opposite side, H is hypotenuse. So cos, C is cos. Okay. So AH is called as adjacent and hypotenuse. T is opposite side by adjacent side. So with respect to the inverse, so we have to put the inverse of sine theta. So inverse of sine theta is called cosecant theta, is hypotenuse by opposite side. Inverse of cos theta is called secant theta. It is hypotenuse by adjacent. And inverse of tan theta is cot theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So it is represented as some old ant came around here taking our apples. So this is the representation. Let we are take first the word SOH, CAH, and TOA. Okay. So these are the representation. For remembrance, we are saying like this. So let us going to find the value here. So in this picture, they are given as hypotenuse is 10 and adjacent is 6 and opposite side is 8. Okay. So opposite side is 8 by 10. Okay. What is 8 by 10? You know that if you cancel each other, you get 4 by 5. So with round off, we'll get 4 by 5 is 40 by 0.8 something we'll getting. So 6 by 10. So it is 3 by 5 and 8 by 6 is equal to 4 by 3. So these are the basics of trigonometry. So what are the things we have discussed till now? So what is trigonometry? How the ratios will be calculated with respect to triangles? And what are the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions would be available in this picture? So there are three types of three things. One is sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. And sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So with respect to these three things, so we are going to calculate the inverse of those things. So sine inverse is cosecant, cos inverse is secant, and tan inverse is cot theta. Okay. So please do remember, and with respect to that, you need to remember the formula of SOH, CAH, TOA. Okay. So if you remember, you will be able to solve easily. Okay. So thank you.